Hello. Today we are going to hear some sounds, not of some of the letters. We are also then you're going to echo it. You're going to say the letter. We are also going to practice writing it on our letter formation grids at home once we have identified the letter. As we're writing it, we have to remember the verbalization of the letters. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to give you the sound. You're going to echo the sound, and then you're going to say the letter. The first sound. K. Now you echo. Say the letter. Hopefully you said the letter C. Okay, now get your whiteboards, your letter formation grids at home. So we could form this letter along with the verbalization. C is a plain line round letter. It starts on the plain line. Point to the plain line. Start to fly backwards and go down and around to the grass line. Say C, cat, k. Good. The next sound, you're going to echo it after I say it and say the letter. Then we will practice writing it on our letter formation grid using the verbalization for that letter. The sound of the letter is J. Now you echo, say the letter. Hopefully you said the letter J. J is a plain line letter. It starts on the plain line. Point to the plain line. Go all the way down to the worm line and make a curve. Add a dot. Say J, jug, J. Okay, make sure you practice writing those letters on the right line. And I just want to remind you all, we're just working with lowercase letters. Okay, next sound. The sound, I'm going to give you the sound. You're going to echo and you're going to say the letter. Ready? The sound is Say the sound. Say the letter. Hopefully you said the letter L. Okay, take out those whiteboards and get ready to write and follow the verbalization. L is a skyline letter. It starts on the skyline. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line and stop. Say L, lamp, O. Okay, that was a pretty forward letter. The last sound is, I'm going to give you the sound. You're going to echo and say the letter. And then you'll practice writing it on your letter formation grid with the verbalization. Ready? The sound is P. Echo the sound. Say the letter. Hopefully you said the letter P. Now we're going to practice writing the letter on our letter formation grid with our verbalization. Ready? P is a plain line letter. It starts on the plane line. Point to the plane line. Go down to the worm line. Trace back up to the plane line and curve all the way around to the grass line. Say P, pan, P. Okay, friends. Remember to practice those 4 letters, the sounds, and the letter formation. Good luck.